Hello everyone, let's discuss the SQL Distinct Query. SQL Distinct Query is used to return only distinct different values from table. The syntax of SQL Distinct Query is select distinct followed by the name of the column from table name. So we will use two keywords, select and distinct. Let's do the practical for this distinct query. So first of all, show databases. Okay, I have already implied database, so let's select. If you don't have imply, you must create your database. Select it. Let's see how many tables are there in employee. We have single employee table EMP, so let's see how many records are there in EMP table. Select all from EMP. So we have 6 records. If we want to see the names, distinct names, the different names, then we will select distinct and the column name, which is name, and from EMP table. This query will select only distinct values from the name and it returns only name column. So it will only show different names. If there are similar names, then it will escape the other names and it only shows the different names. As you can see here, the Tosif name has been repeated 2 times, but when we query the distinct records, then it shows only different values. So let's select the designation, how many unique designations are there in our table. So we can see how many designations we have. How many designations are there? There are 3 designations: in charge, instructor and assistant. Let's see how many departments we have. Department. So it says we have 3 departments. However, in our department we can see here the different designations have different departments, but altogether we have only 3 designations and we have only 3 departments: English, computer science and administration. So this is how distinct will work. Thank you.